Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Smart Index Edge. I'm Nalinakshi Swami, coming up with the levels, Nifty levels. So it is continuation of sell-off in the market. Market is continuously selling off and there is no respite. Today it showed as if some sort of recovery pullback, but it has closed near the previous day low. Based on the India Wix, I have calculated the level daily high to be 24,227 and daily low to be 23,757 and weekly low to be 23,369 and weekly high to be 24,615. Let me go to the daily chart and see here. From here to here, this was an imbalance. So market can come down to 23,667. There is possibility of the market coming down to this level and even up to 23,521. So market is still, the correction is not over. 1 minute. If I take the fib tool, 1.618 comes to, retracement comes to 23,464. That is almost weekly low. Most probably, it appears that market can go down to that level. It will be a slow pace. So it may halt around 23,757 and it may show some sort of pullback. If I go to the hourly chart, you can see the structure like this. Coming up, retracement and continuation. It may continue down to almost down to 23,369 and this is the level where the market consolidated and broke out. You can see this. This is the zone. Probably market can, Nifty can come down to this level. So how many points of correction you can see? Almost 600 points of correction is left in the market. So it is a deep correction which we are seeing in the market, but it is a slow, the market is correcting in a slow pace. Probably there may be continuation of the down move tomorrow. If it gaps down and if it finishes this leg, there may be reversal in the market. We need to see whether it is gapping down. If it gaps down, the distance will be covered very soon. If it is a very slow process, then it takes another 2 days. Coming to the Bank Nifty still it has got more correction left and it is near to the support, that is 49,431 and this is the zone actually, 48,696 to 49,431 because this is the consolidation box. So these buyers and sellers are engaged. There is static liquidity beneath this level. So market can come down, Bank Nifty can come down to this level, beneath this level to around 49,024 and it can even go down to 48,696. So still there is more correction left in the Bank Nifty. So you need to be ready for the market. Let it finish the correction. Probably after the completion of the correction, you may see swift swift up move. After like this, you can see V-shaped recovery also in the market. There may be V-shaped recovery to this level and it may consolidate here and then it may do like that. There is possibility. This is the level you need to watch very keenly. These are the levels 697 to 49,024.8 and 49,431. These are the three levels you need to watch. Mark it on your chart and closely watch the levels. So correction is still on. You need to wait for the reversal. There is no reversal seen in the market. You can see the daily candle closing below the previous day low. And whereas in the Nifty also, if I come to the Nifty, the close is lower than the previous day low. And there is continuation of you can see on the daily, market can continue its down move till this level. There is possibility. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nanakshi Swami signing off.